Okay, I'm going out to a lady said her door's making a noise. Kind of sounds like it needs service. Go out there and see what she wants. And got my coffee here. But I mentioned to her, because she wanted security, she said, on her door where someone can't break in. I mentioned one of the side mounted openers. They have a deadbolt that goes through the track when it goes down. So maybe I'll sell her an opener. She wants more security when the door's closed, but she also needs door service. So who knows, maybe I'll sell her everything. We'll see when I get there. Talk at you. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the shaft here because they have a lot hanging over the other side over there. They got like a foot hanging over, so I'm just gonna cut it here. Okay, I did spring change there. Now I'm just gonna lube all this stuff there. Hi, it was your light bulbs. Yeah, they were all cranked all the way down, so I couldn't tighten them anymore.
Oh, yeah,
they were
right.
tightened all the way down.
Out.
Yeah, but I'd still try them in another socket, because sometimes that little thing that it pushes and makes the contact with it, it gets flattened and it might be farther away so it doesn't reach.
So can I give you more bulbs?
Yeah, give me more bulb. I'll be able to tell you better once I plug a new bulb in. In there you had 60 and a 40, but you can put two 60s.
Okay.
This guy was even nice enough when he put the opener in. You remember I told you the clutch?
Yeah.
He left the clutch tool up there. You see it hanging off that little wire?
I didn't leave it, I don't know.
No, the guy who put it in, he hung it off of there.
Oh my God.
Because we end up with a lot of them in our truck, but I haven't seen one in a while, but okay, let's see if they work first. Sometimes they make the necks on these a little shorter, and then they don't reach. See, that one doesn't reach? Oh, actually, you gotta push the button. You know, those other ones might work. I didn't even push the button. I don't even know what I was thinking. Let me try the other ones again. Yeah, push the button and see if these go on. Now, these ones here, I've had them where that casing on the outside, that one works.
Voila.
They make this flange bigger sometimes, and you can't get it to tighten in to make the contact.
Okay, well that looks like it's working.
Yeah.
But
A lot of them don't work though. Now, here's your antenna I was telling you about.
well, gotcha.
They go off by themselves. They have a little timer in there. A lot of times this makes a little more noise when the door's lighter because it gives that screw and the carriage where the thing that pulls it gives it room to rattle. But when it's real heavy, there's no vibration. See if it sounds any different. Any better?
You don't hear the screeching.
Yeah.
It sounds so much better. Yeah, it sounds good.
There is a grinding noise these make, but it's when the carriage, that part that goes up into the screw, the teeth wore out. But yours isn't that way. You'll know when that does it. There you go, got 789. And it's rainy cold here, and they still call you. So that one there, even though I got 789, I gotta come back because she had a Genie. What happened was we were using it up and down in a short period of time. The capacitor blew on it. I gotta get her a capacitor and come back. See, more money there. More money, more money, more money. So anyway, that's it. I got to get out of this traffic. Click like and subscribe or sign up. Also, we're putting together a platform in our course. People that sign up, people from all across the country that do doors and have gone through our program. You can interact with them if you have any questions as well, and you'll have access to other people, other technicians. You know, if you want to get pricing, if you want to get any information you want, you can talk to people just like a Facebook page would be, where you can send messages to other people that are online. All right, we're going to be having that soon, so all you people that sign up, you'll be notified when that's up and running. That's all for now. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.